Hello guys, I'm Aryan Naresh Jailani from Team Martians, introducing our Smart India Hackathon solution, an AI-driven platform revolutionizing night train deployment for KMRL. KMRL faces the issue of finding suitable trains to deploy, and they have to do the logistic planning manually overnight. Our innovation and our USP, combining multiple objective optimization, predictive maintenance, and real-time health monitoring, helps them to find a unified system where all of this problem can be handled. It does more than automating scheduling. Our USP proactively detects faults, simulates rapid recovery plans, and delivers a transparent ranked induction list, all grounded in a centralized data aggregation. Given that, we get the proposed data. The technical edge would be that our solution is built on a modern, scalable stack, React and Node.js for speed, and optional Python ML analytics for future extensions, which means Mars would be ready for seamless integration and with the existing metro systems. Data import would be extremely easy with the help of Excel and CSV, and our platform would be cloud hosted for instance scalability. The feasibility and viability would be that the software sharply cuts scheduling time, reduces the error, saves costs, and empowers operators with data-driven, auditable decisions. The result? Smarter service, safer journeys, and future-ready metro planning. The impact states that a critical operation would be automated, cutting all the types of costs and enhancing passenger experience. Following are the research and references we have used. Thank you. All right, so this is a small MVP slash prototype that we have tried to make. It's the dashboard of Mars, our metro automated readiness system, and this is how we visualize it to look like. So initially, the user would choose a file, a CSV or Excel file of the metro data. This is some mock data that we have acquired. And at the backend, after processing, first we get a live monitoring. This panel will simulate the real-time health alerts with the help of this data given it is provided. And then this is some visualization for ease of understanding, a one-shot capture of what is happening. And this is a detailed status of every train. These are the 6 factors that we had to weigh in, and on the basis of which the status has been calculated. This is a real-time update as you just saw. Also, this is a reason why the following train was accepted or declined with some score and a recommendation rank provided. Our USP would be that we would not only make a train system for scheduling, but also real-time health monitoring and flag the trains that are dangerous. Thank you.